What is a hustler? A hustler is someone who can juggle 7 streams of income. Every entrepreneur should have a hustler beside them, but you need a hustler beside you in order for you to reach the heights that you desire to be at. You have to have a hustler beside you. If you are a man and you are a hustler and you walk in this world without a hustler as a companion, then you're missing a lot of money. You're missing a lot of money if you do not have a companion beside you that can hustle with you. And I promise you, you'll gather more nuts with 2 squirrels, you feel me? So you got to have a hustler beside you. Women, if your companion is not a hustler, he needs to at least be a supporter, naturally. It needs to be in his nature. He needs to be supportive by nature. And he needs to be understanding. And I'll tell you what, if you're a supportive person, you got understanding. The reason he needs to be supportive beyond that is that if he's a supportive person, he has some hustler in him. Because hustlers support. Hustlers support. Period. If you ain't supporting, you ain't hustling. Period. You ain't got nothing to hustle. Shit. We hustle what we support. I support media. I'm hustling that shit. I support success. I'm hustling that shit. I support music. I'm hustling. I support books. I'm hustling. I support positivity. I'm hustling. I support money. I'm hustling. No bullshit. Real talk. If you're a supportive person, you got the hustler in you. And so having a companion that's supportive will do wonders for your life. It will do wonders for your life. So make sure you have a hustler companion. So anyway, welcome to the Ilski Show, where we talk success, prosperity, and vision.